Bonjour and welcome to Le Français Simplifié with Sharmila, and I am your French prof for the day, and we are standing outside the beautiful Louvre. Welcome to lesson 6, and let's go over some rules and do some new rules for all those learning French, written and oral. And the word of the day is éblouissant, stunning. The lady is éblouissante, stunning. For feminine addy, éblouissant, éblouissante. A little revision: the French adjectives always agree with the noun. So we did, here we can see 3 adjectives: tall, grand, grande. Add an E for feminine and add an S for plural, and if it is feminine plural, add an E and an S. So tall, grand, grande. Small, petit, petite. Cute, mignon, mignonne. Paul est grand. Paul is tall. Marie est grande. Marie is tall. Paul et Marc sont grands. Masculine plural. Paul et Marc sont grands. Paul and Mark are tall. The 2 girls, Marie et Anna sont grandes. Mary and Anna are tall. A garçon intelligent, an intelligent boy. This adjective is coming after the noun. Une fille intelligente, an intelligent girl. So le garçon is the boy, un garçon is a boy. La fille, the girl. Une fille, a girl. Le garçon est intelligent is the boy is intelligent, and il est intelligent, he is intelligent. La fille est intelligente, the girl is intelligent, and elle est intelligente, she is intelligent. We have a few more adjectives here. Le garçon est jeune, the boy is young. It's ending with E, so it'll remain the same in feminine. La fille est jeune, the girl is young. Plural, add an S. Les garçons sont jeunes, the boys are young. Les filles sont jeunes, the girls are young. Le jardin est beau, the garden is beautiful. Le jardin est beau. La maison est belle. Feminine of beau is belle. The house is beautiful. Les jardins sont beaux. Notice there's an X for plural, but the pronunciation is the same as this. Les jardins sont beaux. Les maisons sont belles. Now there are some adjectives that go before the noun, and for simplicity's sake, remember bags. Bags stand for beauty, for B, A for age. So beauty is beautiful, pretty. Age is young, old. Goodness, G is for goodness, good, kind, bon, gentil. Size is grand, petit. These adjectives normally come before the noun. So this is the trick to remember which adjectives come before the noun. Let's do the first one. Beauty. Beauty is beau for masculine, belle for before a vowel. Belle is for feminine. You must have heard belle, elle est belle. Beau is plural, pronounced the same way. The X is silent. belle, the S is silent. So when I say it comes before the noun, un beau garçon, un beau garçon, a handsome boy. Un bel homme, in French, A-E-I-O-U-N-H. Before them, you will have, they all considered, treated the same way as vowels, and therefore you will have B-E-L. Any word starting with these, okay? Un bel homme, a handsome man. Une belle femme, a beautiful woman. Une belle femme. De beaux enfants, plural. Handsome children, handsome kids. So that was beauty. The next is age, and for age I'm using jeune for young and vieux for old, but here we are doing jeune. So un jeune garçon, a young boy, it's coming before the noun. Une jeune fille, a young girl. Okay? Deux jeunes étudiants, the young students. You can also say Pierre est jeune, Peter is young. Marie est belle et jeune. You remember Belle? Marie or Mary is beautiful and young. Les garçons sont jeunes. The boys are young. But now I'm putting the adjective before the noun. Elle est une jeune fille. She is a young girl. Repeat. Elle est une jeune fille. He is a young boy. Il est un jeune garçon. So we did B for beauty, A for age. With age, there's also old, but I'm not going to use it on people because it is really, this is really unkind. So for people, you will say âgé, okay? But for objects, let's use vieux for masculine, vieille for feminine, vieux for masculine plural, vieille for feminine plural, and before the vowel, vieille, same pronunciation. For people, I said we'll use âgé, aged, senior. Pierre est âgé. Peter is elderly. Or l'homme est âgé. The man is elderly. Let's not use these for people. It is considered a little rude. La table est vieille. You can say the table is old. Feminine, vieille. La table est vieille. Le stylo est vieux. The pen is old. Masculine, singular. Le stylo est vieux. And as I told you, bags, all the adjectives and bags come before the noun. Un vieux livre, an old book. Une vieille table, because table is feminine, livre is masculine, an old table. Un vieux livre. Une vieille table. Good or goodness. Let's actually use good. Bon is good. Bon is feminine. Bon with an S, and bon. Pronunciation is the same. S is silent. Okay? Pizza is feminine in French. Une bonne pizza. C'est une bonne pizza. It is a good pizza. Une bonne femme. A good woman. Une bonne femme. A good dog. Un bon chien. A bon chien. good bread. Des bons pains, plural. Des bons pains. Okay? Pierre est bon. Peter is good. Marie est belle et bonne. Marie is beautiful and good. Les garçons sont bons. The boys are good. This is making sentences with adjectives, and now let's put it before the noun. Elle est une bonne fille. Elle est une bonne fille. What does it mean? She is a good girl. Il est un bon garçon. He is a good boy. Un bon garçon. Size, large and small. Large is grand. Grande. So large and tall is grand. Grand, masculine, grande. Petit, small, petite. These are the adjectives. We've reached S of bags and it comes before the noun. Une grande montagne. Mountain is feminine. So you use grande and it is before the noun. Une grande montagne. Un grand éléphant. A large elephant. Un grand éléphant. Une petite maison. A small house. Une petite maison. A petit chat. A small cat. Un petit chat. Pierre Pierre has un petit chat. Peter has a small cat. Jumbo est un grand éléphant. Jumbo is a big elephant. Un grand éléphant. Les garçons sont bons. The boys are good. Elle est une bonne fille. She is a good girl. And il est un bon garçon. A good boy, un bon garçon. Some adjectives in Rule 3 change before a vowel, which I have shown you earlier. Beau becomes belle before a vowel. So an example is un bel arbre. A beautiful tree, un bel arbre. And the second example is an old elephant is, as elephant is E vowel, un vieil éléphant. Un vieil éléphant. Or une vieille image, an old picture. C'est une vieille image. It is an old picture. What a beautiful tree. You just say un bel arbre. C'est un vieux livre. It is an old book. C'est un vieux livre. Jumbo est un vieil éléphant. I hope it's clear. And so some adjectives here, we are just giving some example that adjectives, these are the adjectives that generally come before the noun, but you can make the sentences with ils sont jeunes, they are young. Il est mignon et beau. He is cute and beautiful, handsome. Elle est mignonne et belle. She is cute and beautiful. Elle est mignonne et belle. Il est mignon. He is cute. Elle est mignonne et belle. Repetition. Repetition always makes you learn and remember French. I hope you have understood the rules of adjectives that now come before the noun. Subscribe and follow to Le Français Simplifié, Sharmila. And à bientôt pour la suite. See you next time.